promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the band, that's what they call me.
Yan. So we are here and we're going to, look at that, that's Jollibee. Hello everyone, we're here at Jollibee in Earls Court, London. So yeah, it's the only Jollibee here in London. So yeah, we're on a queue. You need to queue. So kakasend lang namin mag-send ng box papunta sa Pinas. So yan, ngayon dito kami sa harapan ng Jollibee sa Earls Court. So ayan, mga nakapila yung mga kabayan. And somebody's taking an order. I think somebody's taking the order. Yeah, but they have a menu there. So here, it's gonna be cold Sunday. So, malapit na kaming tanungin. I'll be back later. Let's go. So, nandito na kami sa loob.
Takeaway.
Yeah, I just prepared the takeaway. You don't have to wait. Is that alright?
Yeah,
Yeah. Dito kami sa loob. You need to book a table. So if you don't have a table to book, magtiyaga ka na lang, pumila. Take out na lang. So, pili kami ng order. So, walang space. You need to book. Where our number is 214. So, we're now waiting for 213. So ito, naghihintay pa rin kami na aming order. So wala pa rin. So we ordered the classic burger na namimiss na namin and chicken joy and spaghetti. So ayan, nakakamiss sa Pinay. So yeah, tagal pa maluto yung aming spaghetti. Manila Supermarket here, and then there's Pinoy Supermarket there. So yeah, ito na kami sa car. Hi everyone! Hi! So dito na kami sa car ni Habi. Order kami ng Jollibee food. So medyo mahaba yung pila. It's a long wait. Yeah, because we didn't book a table. We need to book a table. Medyo mahigpit din sila. So ayan. Kain muna kami. And then I'll get back to you. We ordered some food from Jollibee. Tikman ko lang kasi nagugutom na ako. See you later. Hello everyone, look at that. That's Manila Supermarket. We're here at Earls Court. So we're right in front of Manila Supermarket and we're parked close to Pinoy Supermarket. So I'm sorry. It's alright. We just had our Jollibee double burger yum and fries, and we ordered some spaghetti with chicken as well. So yun lang, na-miss yung Jollibee. Ayan, kumain kami, nagutom. And then we just sent our box going to Manila. It's an air cargo and they said it will take about 10 to 14 days na makarating siya sa Manila. So here, in Pinoy Supermarket. So, pili muna tayo ng ating mga food. So, I'll see you later. Okay. So, ayan. Dito tayo ngayon sa Pinoy Supermarket. So, hanap tayo ng mga mabibili bago umuwi. So, ayan. Ang dami. So, ayan. Kumuha din tayong tofu. Namimiss ko na ang tofu. Yung processed cheese. Ewan ko, mas gusto ko talaga itong processed cheese. Kinalakihan. So, malapit na tayo sa cashier. So, I'll update you later. Hi everyone! Hello! Hi everyone! So, andito na kami sa bahay. And, ito nga. Ito yung mga napamili ko sa Pinoy Supermarket. I just got some few bits. Like, itong mga namimiss ko na tokwa or tofu. So, I miss tokwat baboy. Meron naman akong baboy sa ref. And, yan. Wala lang pala akong kinchay. Pero, yan. Masarap yan sa tokwat baboy. Itlog na maalat. And, yung processed cheese na namimiss ko rin. Kasi, diba, ito yung kinalakihan natin na keso yung mga binibili per slice. And then, ito nga, toyo mansi. So, pag gusto kong magbabad or mag-marinate ng pork or ng fish na hindi na kailangan bumili ng kalamansi with soy sauce, ayan, meron na yan. And then, ayan, gulaman, Mr. Gulaman, buko pandan. And then, sisig. And then, kare-kare, mamasitas to. Oh, hindi kasama yan. Ayan, mamasita. And then, meron din ako sinigang mix. Ayan. At saka yung ating atsuete powder. So, yan. Meron pa pala Pinoy style tomato sauce. So, ito lang yung mga binili ko. Hindi naman ako bumili masyado ng marami. Kung ano lang yung kailangan para hindi rin nasasayang. Kasi minsan nakaka-guilty kapag yung na-expire hindi mo pa nagagamit. So, yun lang so far. And then, meron pa akong Jollibee na take out. So, yun muna mimeriendahin natin. Jollibee spaghetti with chicken. So, until next time, salamat po. Bye!